dear children, how are you? So all set with the workbook? Now we are going to do the further exercises of this chapter Bitter Medicine in our workbook. So all set? Okay, now ma'am is talking about the exercise which is there on page number 25, right? What is that exercise? That exercise is C part. Now use the group of words from the previous exercise in the blanks below. Now my lovely children, in our previous exercise, we have matched the words which almost had the same meaning. Now we have to use those words in these blanks, right? So the first part is, we dash our parents. Obviously, we love our parents. Yes. And we are dash our pets. So, we are fond of our pets. Okay? Fine. Almost having the same meaning. The usage is very much clear to all of you. Now comes the second part. There is a beautiful dash in front of our house. There is a beautiful garden in front of our house. Right? And every morning my father goes to the dash for a walk. You go to the park for a walk. Right? So, in the similar manner, you are going to cover the rest two of the sentences, although the answers have been provided to you in the assignment section. Okay, now moving to the D exercise. It says, write the words beginning with PQR given in the box in alphabetical order in the appropriate columns in the table below. Now, letter P is given, right? And here 3 blanks are given. Okay. Now, what are the words that are starting with letter P in the box? It says pistol, plane, and police. Right. So we have to see that when we mention alphabetical order, it means it should be according to the alphabetical series. What is the alphabetical series? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H till X, Y, Z. Fine. Now here we are going to see the first letter. You see the first letter is P. It is same in all the 3 words. So leave this. Now we are going to move to the second letter, that is I, L, O. Fine. So according to the alphabetical series, which letter comes first? Of course, I letter comes first. So we are going to write down pistol in the table. Right? Now, plane and police. Now, between L and O, which letter comes first? Of course, L. So, we are going to write down plane here. And the last word is police. So, in this manner, we have written all the 3 words beginning with letter P in the alphabetical order. In the similar manner, you are going to write down the words beginning with Q and beginning with letter R in the table. You have to just see that the first letter, if the first letter is same, then look at the second letter. Okay, and it should be in accordance with the alphabetical series. Right? The answers have been provided to you in the assignment section. Okay, now coming to page number 26. Page number 26 says, read these notes, then write the story. Fine. So there are few clues which are given to you. We have to read those clues. We have to frame sentences. Simple. For example, Mr. Fangs ... robber ... steals money, puts in box, in room. So we are going to frame a sentence in the manner, Mr. Fangs is a robber. Okay. He steals money in the box and keep it in the room. Okay, so this is how you are going to join the clues with the help of few words, and you are going to frame the sentences in this manner, right? The remaining, I would suggest, my dear children, that the remaining story you completed without having a look at the assignment section answer. You completed yourself. Try to complete it, although I have given you the whole story in the assignment section. Okay, now the last exercise of this chapter in this workbook is on page number 27, the B part. And dear children, it is a very interesting one. Read this note and write it out. Now you can see that there are few words written, but can you read it? Is it written in the same manner as it is written on the other pages of the book? No, there is a difference. There is a difference between the appearance of these words, appearance of these letters. And what is the difference? The difference is that they are the mirror image of these letters. These are the mirror images of the letters. For example, wave. If you can read this. Now tell me, Pushpanjali ma'am has written the correct images of this line, the first line which is given in your workbook. This is the mirror image, this is the mirror image, and this is the correct depiction of the words which is there. In the similar manner, the second line and the third line, you are going to do it, and to make this activity more interesting, hold this book in front of the mirror. Hold this book in front of the mirror and then try to read. You'll love it. I am telling you, my dear children, you'll love it. Although I have provided you the answer in the assignment section. Okay, now we have completed the workbook exercise of the chapter, The Bitter Medicine, right? So complete your work in a beautiful handwriting. Always take care of the quality of the work that you are providing and also the correct formation of the letters. Okay, love you.